In this video, I'll guide you through how to use a Moomoo cash coupon. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, redeeming a cash coupon can give you that extra boost in your trading journey. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to open the Moomoo app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account, as this feature is only available to registered users. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, it's available for both iOS and Android, so go ahead and grab it from your app store. Once you have the app open and ready, you'll notice a series of icons lined up at the bottom of your screen. What you're looking for is the Me icon, which is located at the bottom right corner. Go ahead and tap on that. Now that you're in the Me section, you should see various options that pertain to your account settings and personal information. Scroll through these options until you find the one labeled Coupons. This is where all the magic happens. Tap on Coupons, and you'll be taken to a new screen that displays all the coupons available to you, including your cash coupon. It's important to note that Moomoo sometimes offers different types of coupons, so make sure you're selecting the one labeled Cash Coupon for this purpose. Once you've identified your cash coupon, the next step is to select it. This will usually bring up the details of your coupon, including its value and any terms and conditions you need to be aware of. It's always a good idea to give these details a quick read to ensure you're redeeming your coupon correctly and making the most of it. With your cash coupon details in front of you, you'll now want to follow the specific instructions provided to redeem it. These instructions are tailored to each coupon, so be sure to follow them closely. Typically, these steps might involve confirming your selection or verifying your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, Moomoo's customer service is just a click away to assist you. And there you have it. That's how you use a Moomoo cash coupon. By following these simple steps, you can easily take advantage of the extra cash benefits that come with these coupons. Remember to keep an eye on the app for any new coupons that might pop up, as they can be a great way to enhance your trading experience. Thank you for watching, and happy investing.